The Pennsylvania General Assembly has yet to reach an agreement on sentencing guidelines for second-degree murder, and local district attorneys are speaking out. Fox 43's James Corrigan spoke with two of them on what they believe the consequences are for both convicted murderers and the families of victims.
There remains no law and no deal in the legislature to establish sentencing guidelines for second-degree felony murder in Pennsylvania, leaving local district attorneys completely on their own.
What we fear is across the state of Pennsylvania, there will be unequal justice.
Cumberland County District Attorney Sean McCormack says without guidance from the state, a felony murder sentence could be different in each of Pennsylvania's 67 counties.
There could be sentences for second-degree murder as low as probation, and really depending upon which jurisdiction the crime is committed in. And really, that's not fair.
District attorneys are now asking the state Supreme Court to extend its stay on the Commonwealth versus Lee decision from earlier this year that made mandatory life sentences without parole unconstitutional for second-degree murder. While the impasse won't release current prisoners automatically, Dauphin County District Attorney Fran Chardo says prosecutors will have to deal with scores of appeals from those already in prison looking to reduce their sentence.
We've pulled the cases, we've analyzed them, and we'll continue to do so to do the right thing for the cases that have to be revisited.
Chardo and McCormack are among the many local law enforcement leaders calling on the General Assembly to act, with McCormack worried about the emotional effect the saga is having on the families who have lost loved ones to murder.
I'm getting messages about what is going on with, the killer of my loved one's case. And, for them to have to relive this trauma, decades later, is really what is concerning me the most.
Both the State House and Senate have passed their own version of a sentencing bill and remain at an impasse on a final product. James Corrigan, Fox 43 News.